Does wind coverage only mean hurricanes? A lot of people hear wind coverage on their insurance policy and assume it only applies to hurricanes, and that's just not the case. Wind coverage is broader than that, and understanding the difference can really matter when it comes time to file a claim. So let's break it down. Wind damage can come from a lot of different events, not just hurricanes. We're talking about things like strong thunderstorms, straight line winds, tornadoes, tropical storms, and yes, hurricanes too.
I knew that. I knew that.
If wind causes damage to your home, there's a good chance your policy addresses it. But how is it covered depends on the situation. And this is where most of the confusion comes from, in deductibles. Most policies have two types of deductibles, your standard deductible and a separate hurricane deductible, which is usually higher. Now here's the key. Not all wind claims fall under the hurricane deductible. That higher deductible typically only applies when the damage is caused by a named hurricane, and sometimes only after a warning has been issued. So you could have two very similar wind claims, but depending upon whether the storm was named or not, they could be handled completely differently. That's where we see a lot of frustration. People think they know what's covered, but the details really matter. At Vermost Insurance Agency, this is something we walk through with our clients ahead of time. So there are no surprises when a storm hits, because the worst time to figure out how your coverage works is after the damage is already done. So if you're not 100% sure how your wind coverage works, give us a call. Talk to one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886. We're here to help you understand your coverage before you ever need to use it.